Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay ginagamit na 3 araw lamang po na may 82 total meters. Ito naman po yung printer head area, cupping, head clean, punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean, nozzle test, ang system tama lang po, ground wire, EVR, waste tank, nilinis lang po ito kahapon. Yung stock namin na CMYK na hindi pa nagamit, ito naman yung nagamit. Sublimation paper, ICC profile, consumable monitoring, subli paper, black beaded, magenta beaded, cyan, yellow. Ito naman yung delay output record. Yan lang po.